Hello friends and welcome to Farmhouse DIY and Decor. Today I have two beautiful projects that is going to give your house or even your garden, backyard, front yard a very fresh look. I have several other spring or summer projects that I will share it with you very soon, so please stay tuned for that. The first project is making a centerpiece. For this project, I'm using two pieces of items from Dollar Tree, the china plate and a plastic bowl. In order to attach both of these pieces together, I will use E6000 and hot glue. Hot glue will be effective for an instant glue, and then the E6000 will be good for a longer time. Once both of these pieces are securely attached with each other, I will use Waverly white chalk paint and cover all the sides with it. To fill the bowl, I used some newspapers because it was really deep, and then I spreaded grass on top of it. The first layer of grass is from Dollar Tree, and then the second layer is from Michael's. The succulents are also from Dollar Tree. They have varieties of succulents. They have it with clips, with the sticks, and even few ones are in small vases. And I really love all of those varieties, and I really use them for different projects. These metal flower pots from Dollar Tree is such a treasure. They will go with any kind of decor style. It's good for a modern farmhouse, for a farmhouse, for a very traditional or industrial look. It's going to give it a very beautiful decor look. I'm using these sticky labels from Dollar Tree and will use some stencils to write some alphabets on top of these labels. I'm just going to tap Waverly chalk paint on top of them, and once that's done, my decor will be completed. So all over the look is completed, but still it needed some more decor. So I used some more of those chalk paints and I spread it all around the jute to give it a little bit whitewash look. And once that was done, I really loved it. I hope you also enjoyed watching this video as much as I love making this project. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to our channel and join our DIY and decor family if you haven't done so yet. I will post new videos every single week, so please go ahead and check the other ones. See you in my next one.